Good morning from the Great Smoky Mountains. One thing that this Hurricane Helene has shown me is that after decades of engineered hate designed to rip apart our country socially, we still love each other. God bless America, and may she stand till the true ruler of the world comes again, Jesus Christ.